Social media has made it very easy to share video content on websites and blogs, and there are a few ways to do it. The first and perhaps the most universal, so you can use it on most websites and blogs, is using the embed function. So if you find your video on YouTube, go below and click this button that says embed here, and you will receive embed code in HTML. Now what this does is actually places the video, so the entire video and the player with the play button and volume controls, onto your website or your blog. This way people can view this video without navigating away from your page. Also, it has the added benefits of cutting out anything that's on the YouTube page that may be inappropriate. The good thing about YouTube is you can actually customize the size and the color of the embed player. So if you've got size restrictions on your blog or your website, you can select the smallest player, or alternatively you could have a really large player, and you can change the color to suit your design. Once you've selected the options that you want, you can just copy the embed code. With the embed code, you would go to your sandbox where you're making a new blog post or you're working on a new web page, and you do need to edit in HTML. So at the moment I'm seeing this in what you see is what you get mode, so it looks like it will look on the blog page. I need to edit in HTML because the code I'm working with is written in HTML. If I pasted this code straight into what you see is what you get mode, all that will appear on the blog post is the code. It won't give you the video player. So in edit HTML, I paste in my embed code, and if I go back to compose, you can actually see the player is there. And when I click publish post, the entire video is then embedded onto my blog page, and I can play that straight from there. So that's the first way to share a video. The second way to share a video on a website or blog is to use the URL address of the video itself, and this will provide a link to the YouTube site that the video is from. So if I click the share button, it gives me the address of the video. I can copy this content, and again in the sandbox of my blog, where I'm working on my blog post, I can select the content I want to link the video to and insert the web address as a link. This way the video doesn't appear on the page, but if they wanted to see it, they could click on that link and that will redirect them to the YouTube site. And the good thing about YouTube is it also gives you quick functions. So if I just wanted to link this to Twitter, I can click on this Twitter or this Facebook button or Bebo or whatever sort of social media service that you use, and it will give you a shorter URL that links straight in onto your Facebook page or your Twitter page. You'll find that most video hosting sites like Vimeo or TED or YouTube have the share and embed buttons, and they work exactly the same way. So I could go to Vimeo and click embed and receive the embed code, or share and receive the URL address of the video that I like, and it will work exactly the same way that YouTube does. There is one other way to add video content to your blog in your editing pane. You can also click the option of inserting a video. In Blogger, it needs to be a video that's saved to your computer. So if you've already got a video that you'd like to add to a blog post saved on your desktop, you can click Browse and find that file and upload it to your blog. Some blogging platforms will actually let you just paste in the URL address and they'll embed the content for you.